VRT SMART Control. Data exchange between the indoor and outdoor units on operation status enables VRT SMART Control to perform automatic refrigerant control for greater energy savings. For example, when the load drops due to a smaller number of people in the room, the indoor unit determines its target capacity based on how the room temperature has changed from the set temperature to the current temperature. And airflow is controlled accordingly. To further save energy, a command is sent to the outdoor unit to raise the refrigerant temperature. The outdoor unit determines the optimum target refrigerant temperature based on the refrigerant temperature demand from the indoor units. The refrigerant temperature is smoothly controlled without stopping the compressor. And refrigerant is supplied at the target temperature to the indoor units. This cycle repeats every few minutes, rapidly responding to indoor load changes and maintaining the optimum operating conditions. VRT SMART Control is an innovative technology that optimally controls the refrigerant temperature and the airflow rate of the indoor units to maintain comfort and save energy.